In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a project from Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect during the download process, including what to do if you're prompted to upgrade your plan. First, open Base44 in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look for the Apps area in the main navigation. This is where all of your projects live. Clicking Apps helps you switch from the dashboard or editor view into the place where you can see everything you have access to, whether it's your own projects or those shared within your workspace. Next, choose the specific project you want to download. In many cases, you'll see a list of apps or workspaces. Select the one that corresponds to the project you're trying to export. The title you see here will match whatever your team named it, so yours may look different from the example. If you don't see the project, check that you've selected the correct workspace filter or that you have the right permissions. Inside the project, look for the option labeled Export Project as zip. This action bundles your project into a single compressed file, which is convenient for archiving, sharing with teammates, or moving between environments. When you click Export, Base44 will begin packaging the project. Depending on size and assets, this can take a moment, so keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it prepares the download. When it's ready, your browser will download the zip file to your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember. After the download finishes, you can extract the zip to inspect the contents or import it wherever you need. If you click Export and see a prompt to upgrade your plan, that means exporting is a feature available on a higher tier. Click Upgrade Your Plan to review the available options. Choose the plan that includes project exports, complete the upgrade, and then return to your project to try the export again. If you're part of a team account, you may need to contact your workspace admin to enable this feature. Once the plan is active, repeat the export step and the zip download should proceed normally. That's it. Navigate to Apps, open the project you want, export as a zip, and if required, upgrade your plan to unlock exporting. Pause the video as needed to follow along, and you'll have your project downloaded in no time.